problem is for Module 4, Lesson 38, and you are adding 1 to numbers 1 through 9 to see a pattern of the next number using 5 group drawings. So today I'm just going to read the problem to you and get it set up, and I want you to solve it on your own on your Whiteboard app. Okay, so today's problem is color 7 squares green and 1 square blue. So first, if I'm going to color squares, I need to draw them, and I want to draw my squares the 5 group way. So I'm going to draw 10 squares altogether, 5 and 5, just like we've been practicing. And there we go. Okay, and then my problem said to color 7 squares green and 1 square blue. So you're going to take the green, color 7 squares, and 1 square blue. So it doesn't sound like you're going to have all of your squares colored. Okay, so 7 green and 1 blue. I want you to do that on your own. When you are done, please fill out a number sentence for me. Blank plus blank equals blank. And also please fill out a number bond. So if I have 7 and 1 more, how many does that equal all together? Please send me your problem in a picture on Class Dojo when you are done. Thank you.